Well, I feel like it's been forever since I've posted and opened some packs. Today I am coming to you guys with the Meowth VMAX box. Got a pretty good deal, so I'm going to open that up. Next week I've actually also pre-ordered Sword and Shield booster box. I'll be getting that on February 3rd, which is a Tuesday, I believe. I could be wrong. I don't know if I'll be posting day of or the day after. I will want to. I don't know if I'll open them all at once. I'm not sure how I'm going to do it, but I'm really, really excited. I have some good looking cards in there that I'm hoping to get. Let's take a look at these guys first. It's a VMAX card. It's really, really nice. Very cool. G-Max Gold Rush. Very nice card. Very nice. And then what do we got? We got Cosmic Eclipse, Unified Minds, Sun and Moon Guardians Rising. I don't know if I've actually ever opened any of these. And then we've got Evolutions. You know what? I feel like opening them all today. And here is a card for you guys. Well, we got the other cards in here as well, but how do I get to it? How do I open this up? Give me my card. Oh, there we go. Okay. I got it. Meowth V card. Also. Oh no, it fell. V card, also very nice looking. And then the the Meowth VMAX card. Really, really cool. And it is textured. It is awesome, like everybody says. It's true. Very cool. I like it. Awesome. Happy. The box is a little pricey though, but my buddy actually got it at a discounted price, so I couldn't say no. There we go. Oh, also, I feel bad since I've been away for a while, so I'm just going to show a couple extra codes here. There we go. There we go. There we go. I want to thank everybody who has subscribed and who has been watching and who has been liking. It means a lot. I appreciate it. I do. Thank you for continuing to watch. I don't know what the card trick is here, but so I won't do it. But there is your code. It's there. But we get ourselves a very cool Pikachu to start off. Staryu, Onix, Weedle, Chop, Magmar. I always liked this Magmar card. That was cool. I always thought it should have been a holo. Just because it's such a cool design. I think that would have been cool as holo. But, oh! Mega Pidgeot EX. Do not have that. That is cool. Look at his hair. It looks awesome. I like that hair. Very stylish Pokemon. And trainer cards. I will just be grabbing go. I should do that too. My Meowth as well. Be safe. Get some protection on there. Sure nothing happens. Okay, so that's a good start. That's a very nice Pidgeot card. And it's one I do not have. So that is very cool. Alright, move these guys out of the way. This will go in the garbage. And then we're going to open the Guardians Rising. Let's see what this gives us. Make sure I got that right. Oh, it's the green card. I'm assuming this works for Guardians Rising as well. Tentacruel. Little Chansey, Gothita, Vulpix, Fletching, Alolan Graveler. Very cool. Does he have his mustache there? No, in Pokemon Go, he has a very prominent mustache. Watch Crow. Both Unified Minds. No, it's a white background. Might be something good. There it goes. 3, 4. Orankaroo. Carablast. Honage. Pikachu. I think this is a great looking Pikachu card. Very big fan. Pidove. Reverse Holo Dratini. And we get a Tag Team Garchomp and Giratina. Very cool. Alright. Also another card I do not have. So I'm very happy to add that to the collection. Awesome. Let's see if we got some luck with the Cosmic Eclipse cards. 2, 3, 4. Anorith, Slugma, Chinchou, Crossmog, Bacham, Drober, Alolan Sandslash. I don't have them, so that's cool. And it's a reverse holo, which makes it cool too. And Polo Sand. I'm not a fan of this Pokemon. I think it's just, I don't know. I don't like it. Definitely not one of the best designs. Last pack. Here we go. Let's make it a good one. That one was alright. Oh, it's another green one. Got something I didn't have. As long as I get something I don't have, or I don't remember having, I'll be happy for now. But then when I go and put it in where it belongs and I find out I have it, I won't be so happy. But temporary happiness. Reverse Holo Coughing and Crabominable, which I do have, so no temporary happiness. Alright, thanks everybody for watching. Do a quick recap here of the cards that I got. Got the Garchomp and Giratina. Very cool. From the promo box, the Meowth VMAX, Meowth V, and the Mega Pidgeot EX, which looks really, really cool. I'm a fan. Thank you guys for watching. I will hope to get some more pack opening videos up soon. Again, for every like that I get, I will reveal a code. So please support. I appreciate it. Or don't, but great if you did support. And yeah, have yourselves a great weekend. Take care.